So today I'm going to be talking about why is Ethereum up, and I want to cover a few points today, really regarding these two resistance points as well as support here down at around $1,700. So as I covered in the last video, we finally have gotten the MACD, sorry, not the MACD, we finally got the 120-day moving average to go below the 20-day moving average. Finally got those lines across. We're starting to see a bit of a correction there. On the 4-hourly chart, we actually can see here that the 120-day moving average is trending upwards now, which has not happened since last July. So that's obviously very good news. So let's just get into it. The first resistance that we're looking at here is right around this $2,000 mark, of course. That's a huge resistance. If we can bust through that, we could see another test here at around 2150-ish. That would be a huge mark to pass up as well. Obviously, if we get past both of those, we could go significantly higher, because those are the two biggest resistance levels that we have yet to hit. So, but I'm not going to talk about anything else resistance-wise, just because those are really the two big ones that we have coming up. And there's honestly nothing else to talk about other than those, because, well, we have to get there in the first place. So let's not even worry about how much higher it could go. So let's first focus on, like, how can we get here? Obviously, if we do hear news about the Bitcoin ETF from BlackRock, if that comes out, we will absolutely crush at least this bottom resistance, I believe. We will certainly get up to it, that's for sure. I personally think. So, yeah, obviously here on the daily chart, we're looking pretty overbought here on the RSI, and the MACD is looking like it's starting to lose a little bit of juice here. So that's not good in the near short term. We want to check out the weekly chart, which I really like focusing on the weekly chart, because this really just shows you fundamentally where we're at, and not just like a small picture. This is more big picture. So of course we're starting to make higher highs. We would need to see some large action in the game over the next few weeks or so if we even want to think about starting a bull run. But obviously that's not on my mind right now, as of course it is just November, and you know, we're just now starting to get in the groove with things. You know, crypto's been going sideways, or it's been trending downwards for the past few weeks or so. And so we're going to need to start trending back upwards again if we want to even think about a bull run. But also this resistance here, this is a good sign. If we can hold this resistance here at, what is it, 1750 or so, if we can hold that resistance, we are going to be solid when it comes to making higher highs and higher lows. So that's really all I wanted to cover today, is just these support and then these two resistance lines that we need to well, obviously we need to hold the support if we do correct, and then obviously we do want to see us test these resistances, and it's unlikely that we'll blow past them unless there's some crazy news. But if we do that, that also means that that's probably not a very super solid support, but you never know until we actually see it in real time. So with that being said, you guys, it is 3:20 in the afternoon, as you can see here. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to stay updated. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.